we wait? Alright now. When we are drafting from back to front. So that means this part here is my center back and here is my center front. Making sense. I told you it's not hard. Is it hard? Alright now, your calculated waist. Now because your waist measurement, you can't just use the waist there. Even for when you are showing this. Okay. Your calculated waist. Calculated waist is your waist circumference. Please write waist circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch.